Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to generate line on top of area chart in Tableau. So for this, we will go in environment of Tableau. Now I'll select from here the order date. I'll drop it into the column. From here, I'll activate month. Now from measures, I'll transfer to rows with the help of Control tab. I'll copy this profit. So two line charts will appear. Now activate the first line chart, this sum profit. So this is for this one and sum profit 2 is for this one. Okay, activate the sum profit and convert this into the area chart. Now activate the second line chart, this one. And from here, select quantity and drop it into the colors. Now edit the colors from here, whatever color which you want. You can select the color from here. Let us say green and gold I want. Apply, or rather let us keep it dark only, that is the red color line. Apply, click OK. Now activate from here the dual axis. You can see the line, red color line is superimposing the chart. Moreover, you can change the color of this area chart also. Again, go back and in this area select green color. Now we want to synchronize both these axes. How can I do it? Right click, synchronize the axis. Moreover, if you want, you can hide this axis and see the area chart is ready with a red line on the top. Now, if I want to see the trend according to the segment, I'll pick up the segment from here and drop it into the rows. So three area charts with the line on the top will appear. So this is the way you can generate line on top of area chart. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.